Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a copy of an element in Canva. So if you want to make a copy of a text element, a graphic or photo element, an image in Canva, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is select the element you want to make a copy of, and then you can click on this three dots option and you're gonna be able to see duplicate here. And if you click on that, you can see that the element has been duplicated. You also have the option to select the element, then click on copy here and go to another page. And so I pressed Ctrl V and the element has been copy pasted here. And as you can see, you can also do this with other types of elements or images and so on and so forth. Of course, you can also duplicate a complete page. So make a copy of a page if you want to do that. And of course, you can also make a copy of a complete Canva page. So if you click on duplicate page in the top here, this will make a copy of the page. And as you can see, this is an exact copy because it looks the same. But all in all, this is how you can make a copy of an element in Canva. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make Money with Canva checklist for free, where we reveal a ton of ways how you can make money with Canva and get other free Canva online marketing and AI resources, make sure to check out the links in the description below, where you can also sign up for Canva Pro for 14 days for free. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Canva, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlist because we have over 1,000 free tutorials.